Hey everyone, in today's video I want to talk about how to create the perfect landing page. Now the sole purpose of a landing page is to get someone to give you their email address. The reason we want this is so we can follow up with them. A landing page should be fairly uncomplicated. All you want to achieve with your landing page is to get your prospect's email address. For this reason, you do not want too many distractions on the page. Basically, keep your landing page nice and simple. However, there are certain parts of the landing page that are important and you need to get this right. Before we move on to this, I would quickly like to welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate marketer. And affiliate marketing is certainly my favourite way to make money online. Why? Well, quite simply, with affiliate marketing, you get paid a commission for recommending someone else's product. You never have to create your own product or deal with any customer service and support. In my opinion, it's the best method to make money online, no matter what your level of experience. So I've created this channel to pass on useful information for new and struggling affiliates. One thing I do promise is that my videos will be short and to the point. I know your time is valuable, and for this reason I will not waffle on. I promise to make my videos short, but I will try and be helpful to those of you who are new or struggling to see success as an affiliate. So be sure to hit the like button if you enjoy this video, also the subscribe button. Now when you hit the subscribe button, you'll see a bell symbol. There will be 3 options to click. Make sure you click where it says all, as this will turn on all your notifications so YouTube will let you know whenever I post a new video. Okay, let's move on to today's topic, how to create a high converting landing page. In order to create a high converting landing page, you need to focus on 4 main elements. They are the headline, the free gift or lead magnet, the opt-in box, and the bullet points. Okay, let's go through each of these 4 parts individually. First, the headline. This is the most important component of your landing page. It's one of the first things that your visitor sees when they land on your page, and you need a strong headline. When someone arrives at your landing page, you have a short time in which to grab their attention, so your headline needs to be strong enough to stop them and make them pay attention. Now next, the free gift or lead magnet. Your free gift is what your prospect will get in exchange for giving you their email address. Now this could be a free video, a free PDF report, a webinar, basically something of value in exchange for their email address. One important point, the free gift needs to be relevant to the topic your prospect was originally interested in when they came to your landing page, and it must align with whatever offer you intend to make to your prospect in the future. Now the opt-in box, this is simply a little box in which your visitor enters their email address in order to obtain your free gift. It's a good idea to add some reinforcing text to your opt-in box. For example, you might have enter your email here in your box, and then below you might say something like free instant access. One other thing I would like to note here, the more information you ask for in your opt-in box, the less people will give that information. In my experience, and I know other internet marketers I have spoken to have found this too, only asking for the email address rather than say their name and email address will probably give you a better conversion rate. Now, actually creating your opt-in box is very easy. You simply copy and paste a line of code given to you by your autoresponder company. And finally, the bullet points. Here you just list a few bullet points that basically describe what your prospect will get when they opt into your email list. These are the 4 main components that make up a high converting landing page. One point I will make that generally holds true, the simpler your landing page, the better your conversions will be. Creating a high converting landing page is certainly a task that will help you become a more successful affiliate marketer. And at the end of the day, that is what we're all looking to be, a more successful affiliate marketer. Now, if you look below in my description, you'll see a link where you can register for a free online training video where my partner Dean, a hugely successful affiliate marketer, will talk about the 4 key steps you need to follow to grow a profitable affiliate business today. I highly recommend you sign up and watch this video. Now hopefully you enjoyed today's video, and if so, please do me a favour and click the like button. Also, please do leave a comment below this video, as I appreciate your feedback. And make sure you go below, click the link and watch Dean's free online training video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications by clicking the bell symbol and then clicking where it says all, so you'll be notified immediately when I release a new video. Thank you.